So in this video, we will learn how to add Simvoly product details to Google Sheets. Now suppose guys you have created some kind of website using Simvoly and you want that whenever you add a new product to that website, you want to add those new product details into your Google Sheet as a new row. Now you guys, you can completely automate this process. So the trigger of this automation will be addition of new product in Simvoly, and the action will be addition of those product details, new product details into the Google Sheet as a new row. Now guys, how you can set up this automation? To know this, you have to come with me to my screen.
So first of all, we will go to a browser and search for pabbly.com/connect. And after reaching to the landing page of Pabbly Connect, by clicking on sign up free, you can create your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. Or if you already have an account, just click on sign in. So I will sign into my own Pabbly Connect account. And after signing in, we will reach to this all apps page of Pabbly. Here we just have to click on access now below Pabbly Connect. And now we can see that we have reached to Pabbly Connect's dashboard. In this dashboard, just click on create workflow and give this workflow a name. For example, I would like to name my workflow as Simvoly to Google Sheets and click on create. And now we can see that our workflow is open over here. And in this workflow, we have two different windows. First one is trigger window, second one is action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on. Where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's begin with our trigger window. So the idea here is first we have to get the details or the data of new product which we are adding in our Simvoly store in Pabbly Connect. And after that, using Pabbly Connect, we will send those new product details to Google Sheet to add those details as a new row in our Google Sheet. Now guys, here in trigger window, in choose app, we will search for Simvoly. Simvoly it is. And after that, in trigger event from the drop down, we will select new product. After selecting a trigger event, Pabbly Connect gave us a webhook URL. Now we will use this webhook URL to make the connection between Simvoly and Pabbly Connect. Just copy this webhook URL from here and follow the help text given below over here. So guys, after copying this webhook URL, we will go to the website page, the website builder section of our Simvoly website. And after that, on the left side, we can see several options, out of which there is an option named as website settings. Click on website settings and then just click on this applications option. Then just click on add application, and here in this dialog box, scroll down and we can see an option named as connect webhook. Just click on connect. And after that, in this dialog box, the first thing it asks us is the destination URL. So here in destination URL, we have to paste the same webhook URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect. Just paste this webhook URL over here. Then the next thing it asks us is the events. So here in events, we can see several different events, but we want the details to be sent. We want Simvoly to send the details of new product. Whenever we will add new product, we want Simvoly to send those details to Pabbly Connect. So we will select new product as the event and click on save. And that is it guys. We have successfully connected our Simvoly website with Pabbly Connect. Now every time a new product will be added in our Simvoly website, automatically the details of that product will be captured in Pabbly Connect. And guys, we are going to do the same. What we are going to do, we are going to go to the store section of our website, and then from the left side, we'll go to product section. And here we are going to add a new product. Just click on this add product button. For example, we will be adding a physical product. Just select it. So the name of the product is, for example, white t-shirt. White t-shirt. Then the description is this is just a simple white t-shirt. This is the description. The price is, for example, $5. It's on sale, so the sale price is $4. Then store keeping unit SKU is this, for example, just a random SKU. Weight is 0.01 kgs. Then the product type is physical product. Then just track the inventory of it. We have the variations and other details. Then let's upload an image. Click on this add image button and let me upload an image of this product. Upload a file. This is the image file. Let me upload it. And yes, this is it. Just select it. So this is the image which we want to upload. Close, and that is it. So we have added this image of this product, and this is the product page URL. So with some basic details, just now I have added a new product in my Simvoly store. Just scroll down and click on this. And that is it. The product is added. And guys, as you will see, because we have connected our Simvoly website with Pabbly Connect, we will see that the details of this new product which we have added just now, this white t-shirt, will be captured in Pabbly Connect as well. Let's get back to Pabbly Connect. And yes guys, here in Pabbly Connect we can see we have received some response. And in this response, we will see the product ID, the type of the product, and the title. Then after that, we will see the description of the product which we have added. Then we will scroll down and we will find some other details of the product, like the product's image URL. Just copy this URL, go to a new tab, paste this URL, and we will see the same image which we have added. Then we have the SKU of the product, weight of the product, price, regular price, sale price, and all. Now guys, we can see that all the details of the new product which we have added is now received in Pabbly Connect. Now after this, we want to send this product details to Google Sheet as a new row. Now for that, we just have to scroll down. And after scrolling down, we will come to action window, and here in choose app, we will search for Google Sheets. Select Google Sheets. Then in action event from the drop down, select add new row. Click on connect and select add new connection. Now here guys, we have to connect our Google Sheets account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, just click on connect with Google Sheets. Then just select your Google Sheets account. Scroll down and click on continue. And that is it. Now we can see that we have successfully connected our Google Sheets account with Pabbly Connect as well. After making this connection, the first thing it asks us is the select spreadsheet. So in the drop down below, we can see a list of all the spreadsheets which we have created in our Google Sheets account can be seen over here. And out of all of this spreadsheet, the spreadsheet in which I want to add the details of these new products is named as new Simvoly product. So I have created this separate spreadsheet. So we will be selecting this sheet in which we want to add the details. Then after selecting our spreadsheet, the next thing it asks us is to select the sheet. So as you can see over here, in this spreadsheet, I have only one sheet named as sheet 1. That is why from the drop down, we will select sheet 1. And after that, we can see all the columns, all the header fields which we have created in our Google Sheet can be seen over here in Pabbly Connect. So I want to add these details of the new product in this Google Sheet, and we can see all of these fields, all of these columns as fields. So one by one, we will add their respective data in this field. So let's start with product ID. So we have received the product ID of the new product which we have created. So this is the product ID. And we have to basically map this same product ID which we have received from Simvoly of a new product over here in this product ID field. And guys, the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field, and in the drop down below, we can see a list of all the responses of new product which we have received from Simvoly can be seen over here. And out of all of these responses, select the response of product ID and map it. The next thing it asks us is the product name. So we will have also received the name of the product. So this is the title of the product, and we will use the same process of mapping to add the name as well. We are going to click on this field of product name, and from the drop down, select the response of the title or the name of the product and map it. Then let's map the sale price. So we have received the sale price of the product as well. So this is the sale price. And then let's map the regular price. That what is the regular price? This is the response of regular price and map it. And at last, the SKU, stock keeping unit. So this is the SKU which we have added and map it. So in this way, we have added all the details which we wanted to add of a new product in Google Sheet in this field. We have mapped all of this data. And then just click on Save and Send Test Request. After clicking on Save and Send Test Request, we can see that we have received a response over here. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that all of the data which we have mapped over here, basically all the details of the new product which we have added in our Simvoly store or Simvoly website is now added into a Google Sheet as a new row. So let's check. We'll go to a Google Sheet. And yes guys, here we can see that the same details of the product which we have just now added in our Simvoly website or on the store which we have made using Simvoly is now added as a new row in our Google Sheet. This means the automation which we have created in this video is working perfectly fine. Now, every time we will add a new product in our Simvoly website or store, the details of that product will be added as a new row in our Google Sheet. So not just these applications, guys, you can basically connect plenty of other applications using Pabbly Connect. And guys, one more important thing, you will find the clone link of the same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone the same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this workflow for free. And also, Pabbly Connect offers you a forever free plan. And in this plan, you can get free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can do it for absolutely free.
If you need any kind of help or have any queries, you can ask them on forum.pabbly.com, and you can check Pabbly Connect's pricing at this link. So if this video was helpful to you, you can like this video, don't forget to share it with others, and to keep getting such content on automation and integration, you can subscribe to Pabbly. Thank you, have a nice day.